LittleGems123Tv.
Let's learn the action words with simple present tense.
Run. I run fast. Run. Eat. I eat an apple. Eat. Play. I play with my toys. Play. Read. I read a book. Read. Jump. I jump high. Jump. Sleep. I sleep in my bed. Sleep. Walk. I walk to the park. Walk. Clap. I clap my hands. Clap. Dance. I dance to music. Dance. Sing. I sing a song. Sing. Laugh. I laugh with my friends. Laugh. Cry. The baby cries. Cry. Wave. I wave to Grandma. Wave. Hug. I hug my teddy. Hug. Kick. I kick the ball. Kick. Throw. I throw the ball. Throw. Catch. I catch the fish. Catch. Drink. I drink milk. Drink. Wash. I wash my hands. Wash. Brush. I brush my teeth. Brush. Open. I open the door. Open. Close. I close the book. Close. Sit. I sit on the chair. Sit. Stand. I stand up tall. Stand. Crawl. The baby crawls. Crawl. Shake. I shake my head. Shake. Touch. I touch my nose. Touch. Tap. I tap the drum. Tap. Pull. I pull the rope. Pull. Push. I push the door. Push. Pick. I pick a flower. Pick. Drop. I drop my toy. Drop. Hold. I hold my cup. Hold. Look. I look at the stars. Look. Smell. I smell the flower. Smell. Blow. I blow a balloon. Blow. Bite. I bite an apple. Bite. Nod. I nod my head. Nod. Climb. I climb the stairs. Climb. Turn. I turn around. Turn. Yawn. I yawn when I'm sleepy. Yawn. Hop. I hop like a bunny. Hop. Stomp. I stomp my feet. Stomp. Wiggle. I wiggle my fingers. Wiggle. Pat. I pat my dog. Pat. Stack. I stack the blocks. Stack. Roll. I roll the ball. Roll. Spin. I spin the circle. Spin. Swing. I swing on the swing. Swing. Slide. I slide down the slide. Slide.
Today, we learned 50 action words with simple sentences. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.